Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to go back to the general section and scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on the languages and tap on system languages. As you can see, this is the list of all kind of currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and I will choose maybe Turkish, it does not really matter. Simply tap on the region, and as you can see, in my case, Turkish language has been immediately applied to the list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to basically reorder the languages. So let me tap on the Turkish, tap on it and hold it. And now, as you can see, we can drag it to the first position and then release the finger. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on change. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language. Hello. And tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.